Hi everyone, Hannah here. So this is the June mixed media box, and these are the items that you will receive. And we've got clear wax paste that is new by Prima. I've got a little bit left in this tube. It's kind of all mashed up a little bit. And then we've also got our new bronze shimmer texture paste. And we're also putting in just some regular texture paste or texture sand. The first kits that went out had the pink color, and then the other ones have the cream color. And then of course this chipboard frame here. And the first thing that I'm going to do, and I apologize for it shaking, you kind of really got to get with it to get that texture the texture sand on there pretty good. And I'm not really wanting to leave it on thick because I want to be able to see the texture. I mean the you know, the cuts on the chipboard frame, the little swirls on there. So I'm trying to basically brush it out pretty thin. Some parts I'm leaving it a little thicker, you know, and then of course I'll be painting over it, you know, after this part. So I've let it dry, and now I'm coming back with the mermaid teal paint, one of my favorite colors. I absolutely love this, and I'm just going to paint all over it and just really cover up you know, all of the white, any brown showing. I'm just going to cover up the whole thing with this mermaid teal paint. So while I'm letting that chipboard frame dry, I'm going to go ahead and reposition the twine that came with, you know, with this little basket here, because I do want it to hang up. You could even make it where it just sits down and you could put stuff in it, but the way that I'm embellishing it, it's, you know, going to be something that you hang on your wall, you know, some nice wall decor. So I'm just adding some glue on the slots here, and then I'm just going to press that cheesecloth right in there. And I'm going to start gluing everything on here. Usually before I get to this part, I kind of plan out my layout beforehand. And so I kind of already knew what I was going to do, you know, with doing that. And so now I know where to glue everything for the most part. Sometimes I'll kind of change up a few things as I'm going along. So now I'm coming with the Shimmer Texture Paste, and I'm just adding it in some various places, not all over the whole thing, just kind of in a few places. So after letting the shimmer paste dry, then I'm coming back with the coral paint and just painting some highlights over that, adding a little bit over the cheesecloth as well. taking the clear wax paste and I put some on my brush and I'm just brushing it over around the white edges. It really gives a neat waxy look, almost like waxed fruit. So it's pretty cool looking. And so I'm just adding that on the top and bottom of this, and then I might add it in a couple other places as well. So that is it for this tutorial. If you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. I hope that you've enjoyed our tutorial for this month's project. Thanks so much for watching.